Now, I'm just going to turn to show the world. This is Thursday. This is day 2 of the winter storm in North Carolina, the Piedmont Triad. So yeah, I mean it's coming down. We got another 3 inches to go, and I mean nothing does it justice. Like, this is unbelievable. I haven't seen a snowstorm like this ever, and it just keeps coming down. We got freezing rain coming after this. Power's going strong. Let's keep it that way. Wow, I mean, it's just crazy. Your tracks don't stay long. I mean, that's how deep my foot is right now. It's crazy. So let me know how you guys are doing. Anyway, all over the South, it's just phenomenally crazy. I've never seen it like this, and it just keeps on coming down and coming down. Not really sticking to the trees none, but the ground, oh yeah. So with that, I'm gonna end this video because my iPhone's like getting pummeled by debris. I call it debris. It's really ice, and you can see it's just sticking on my arm. So yeah, let me know how you guys are doing. Peace.